These are all the new working codes in Volleyball Legends. Open up the shop, scroll to the codes, and start redeeming now. Start redeeming now. If you don't redeem all the codes now, you will not get all the rewards. The first code is Pro Tori underscore 50k. Pro Tori 50k. Redeem this code. Redeem the code. Code already redeemed. No way, I already redeemed it. Update underscore 23. Is that it? Should be it. Let me check up on Volleyball Legends. What is Volleyball Legends up to, huh? What is Volleyball Legends up to? Taichou underscore yen. Taichou yen. 1000 yen for free. Taichou again. Taichou shells. Did I get shells? Wait, did I actually get shells? No way I got shells. Let's see, I got 500 shells. Okay, jellyfish. Jellyfish. There you go, we got jellyfish. Jellyfish. Ice cream. Ice cream. No, ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. If you want an extra slot inside of Volleyball Legends, be sure to comment down below ice cream. Ice cream. Comment ice cream. Comment ice cream just like this, and then you get free ice cream. You get a free slot actually. Free extra equip slot. For your abilities or your styles. So you choose. These are all the codes. Be sure to redeem every single one of them. Like the video and subscribe.